Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today our group will present about our property, which is Starcity Hotel. Our group member consists of me, which is Muhammad Azrul bin Muhammad Fauzi, NURUL ATIKAH binti IBRAHIM, NURUL MADIHAH binti Muhammad ZAIDDY, NURUL SAFIQAH binti ZAINI, and Puteri NURSHAHIRA AZWA binti MEGAT INDRA SHAHPRI. Then I will move into introduction. Okay, for introduction, we have chosen Starcity Hotel, which is located in Alor, Kedah, as our case study for this assignment. Location of this hotel is very strategic, where surrounding the hotel located many facilities and amenities surrounding the hotel that made us interested in choosing this hotel as our case study. Besides that, there are also popular landmark nearby the hotel, such as Menara Alor, Zahir Mosque, Kedah Paddy Museum, Aman Central, and Putra Medical Center. Okay, for collection information for this assignment, we have contact one of management member of this hotel, which is Puan NURSHAHIRA binti Hashim, to get more detailed information about how they as management handle maintenance work at this hotel. Then, for property background, Starcity Hotel is a 3-star hotel located at Kampung Lubuk Pering, 88 Jalan Pintu 10, 05100 Alor, Kedah. Starcity Hotel was built on 19 May 2006 in front of Jalan Pintu 10. The hotel has 98 rooms, consists of various type of room, including meeting rooms that can accommodate into 20 until 1,000 people at one time. The hotel also provide with free internet access in room as well in the coffee shop. Other than that, free parking also provided for the guests to park their vehicles. Then, each room is equipped with air conditioning, television, mini fridge, free newspapers, and hair dryers. In order to secure guest safety, the hotel offer 24 hours security to ensure that guests inside the hotel is safe anytime. And among the other services provided, such as housekeeping, laundry, massage, and food provided by this hotel, which is served at the Paddy Cafe. The Paddy Cafe serve variety type of foods, such as local and western food. Okay, then we move to organizational chart of Starcity Hotel. On top position, we have general manager, supporting by executive secretary, and there are 5 different department, which is accounting or finance department, handled by accounting manager, sales and marketing department, handled by sales manager, human resources department, handled by human resources manager, engineering department, handled by chief engineering, and food and beverage department. In food and beverage department, we have F&B services and F&B product, handled by F&B service manager and executive chef respectively. Okay, for division, which is room division, we have 3 types of different department, which is housekeeping department, handled by housekeeper, front office department, handled by front office manager, and last one, security department, handled by chief security. All these manager have very important role in ensure that all jobs are done properly, to make sure the management of this hotel perform well in order to maintain their best performance. That's all from me. Move to next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ATIKAH binti IBRAHIM. Today I will present about the statement of need of organization and tenants and occupancy management. First, vision of Starcity Hotel, which is to achieve all market segmentation by expanding into a new market as well as improve for hotel services and facilities. For mission is to ensure all customers are friendly through hospitality, smile and friendly services. Next is objective. First is to increase hotel average occupancy from previous year rate. Second is to deliver high performance hospitality to customer through healthier lifestyle. And lastly, to position the hotel as hotel which provide exceptional hospitality services. Next, we move to the tenants and occupancy management. Tenant and occupancy management is important in hotels management. One of the objectives of Starcity Hotel is to increase the hotel average occupancy from previous year. To ensure this objective can be achieved, tenant and occupancy management of Starcity Hotel provide a good service. Starcity Hotel provide 4 types of different room, which is deluxe rooms, star deluxe rooms, studio suite and executive suite. Starcity Hotel also rent out the ballroom and function room for seminar or wedding event. Since the COVID-19 outbreak, all hotel experience the reduce of customer include for Starcity Hotel. To ensure the increase of customer, Starcity Hotel offer discount for people who stay at hotel's room and held the event at the hotel. There are many promotions such as wedding banquet Chinese 8 course, discount for room and late check-out, honeymoon and birthday discount, and many more. To make sure everyone's safety, tenants and occupancy team follow the strict standard operating procedure SOP that has been prescribed by government. All the room and ballroom will be sanitized after use. Even the equipment, lobby area, restaurant and gymnasy will be sanitized every day. All customers must fulfill the requirements set up by government, which is all customers must complete 2 doses of vaccine and wear mask during outside of the room. Everyone must practice a social distance including the staff of Starcity Hotel. This is because to avoid infection virus to all the customer and staff in hotel. Furthermore, all the cleaning schedule has been rearranged, including cleaning schedule for room and open space to ensure the occupants stay in comfortable, safe and clean environment. As for hotel services is the important because the rate of hotel is based on services provided to customer. In order to achieve that, cleaning schedule have been added and rearranged. Before this, cleaning schedule for open space only once a day, but now twice or 3 times a day according to the number of people there. Puan NURSHAHIRA once said the good service provide for occupants the highest rating and position of the hotel. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Puteri Azrul binti MEGAT and SHAHPRI, and I would like to present about human resources management, maintenance management and maintenance policy. Human resources management is really significant in order to practice of searching, training, deploying and managing personnel in a company or an organization. Human resources management have responsibility to supervising policies, controlling workers and the organization's interaction with its personnel. The human resources management could help the company in choosing the right staff to work in the organization, and it is also to help in defending the rights of the workers from being oppressed by their employer. In our site visit, which is Starcity Hotel, it also has human resources management system. Based on our interview with them, they said they always get to know problems of all of the employees and emphasizes all matters related with employees' welfare as to ensure the efficiency of human resources system in that hotel. They also study about the policies of the company and make sure the policies is up to date and relevant with all of the current situations. Maintenance management is defined as the process of keeping a business asset and resources in good working order while minimizing time and cost, assuring optimal productiveness. Maintenance management used to improve and preserve the value of the building as to ensure many people will come and invest on that property. The Starcity Hotel use scheduled maintenance as their maintenance planning program to keep the building or hotel safe and comfortable. The hotel will maintain the building functionality as to give the best out of the best for all the occupants in that property. For example, the management of the hotel will act immediately and check right after they got complaints due to uncomfortability of the occupants with the building. Other than that, the Starcity Hotel will do an inspection regularly to check the condition of the building. And due to this pandemic of COVID-19 had happened, the Starcity Hotel will always ensure all of the occupants in that building to follow standard operating procedure, which is SOP that has been set by the hotel management. For instance, all of the occupants need to keep the distance 1 meter away from each other and sanitize hand regularly. Building maintenance policy is a written document that gives maintenance employees a management framework for determining the best maintenance approach and standard. The selection of a maintenance plan, the definition of a maintenance standard, and the distribution of maintenance resources are the 3 key factors in developing a maintenance policy. A maintenance policy is a tool that maintenance professionals can use to plan out their maintenance methods. Maintenance policy has been used by this Starcity Hotel for a long time ago as to ensure all assets keep functioning well and safe to be used. Maintenance personnel for this hotel must follow the strategy stated in the maintenance policy and the planning standard given by the qualified person in maintaining the building and property.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURUL binti ZAIDDY and I will present on the maintenance plan first. Okay, so maintenance plan is about the plan that to prevent any part of the building will be suffer from any serious damages, serious breakdown or unexpected renewal part of the building. So we needed the maintenance plan to ensure and to guarantee that all part of the building will be able to work as it is built. There's 3 basics of maintenance plan, which is short term, long term and medium term, that will also be applicable on our subject property, which is the Starcity. They believe that to maintain the property by doing the maintenance plan, they will be focusing on a few factors, which is such as the equipment that will be used to repair and maintenance works, the amount of the manpower that involved in the maintenance work, also the weather of the surrounding, which is especially when they're working on the open space such as rooftop. So in creating the maintenance plan, our subject property say that they doing the periodic maintenance. It is for the short term, it's focusing on the preventive maintenance such as daily and weekly report. They key in the checklist, which is when the inspection, they do the inspection, they will do the checklist, which is they do the inspection on the hotel rooms, the door lock of the hotel room, something like that, the toilet bowl. And for the medium term, that they're also using the preventive maintenance. However, it will be focusing on the external work, such as the weekly inspection, monthly and annual report. We focus on the bigger scope of work, which is like a repairs work, the cleaning of the hotel or open spaces. Lastly, on the long term, which is for the long term is a very serious matter, which is they are focusing on the identifying the major damage that will be occur in the future, and what the action plan that they can be taken to address the major problem for a term that 3 to 5 years in the future. Next, on the maintenance budget, it's very important that for us to conduct any maintenance work, we need to have a budget. Maintenance work need to be done successfully and for us to have a great care about our property. So, referring to our subject property, they said that they're able to require sources of budget to maintain the building condition in very good condition is they're able to get from the business profit, which is they set aside the budget from their business profit. So, usually they will have a meeting with the management team in the end of the year, which is on December, and they will decide how much budget that will they set aside for the maintenance. Usually they will decide on 5,500 per month that will be used as a monthly maintenance works and repair. It will continue for a year, and if there is emergency cases that need a larger amount, they already set aside for 50,000 for emergency cases, such as the problem for failure or malfunction the part of the hotel. We just face the pandemic COVID-19, which is we need to stay in the movement control order, which is our subject property also have the difficulties starting on the MCO, which is they have difficulties to start their business as usual before the MCO. And as the standard operating procedure also getting stricter last year, so they are unable to run the business as usual and experience a lack of income last year. They stated that when the MCO was lifted, as they're having a hard time to find a bigger budget to use and repair maintenance work, is quite stressful for them. However, they managed to overcome that, and they stated that to ensure that the budget is follow the budget according to the planned budget, to ensure that each planned budget is adequate within the planned period, and emergency works for the repairs and maintenance. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is NURUL binti ZAINI, and I will present Health, Safety and Environment Management. Health, Safety and Environment Management is a hazard procedure in maintenance and management works. It is important in order to avoid any injury and unwanted incident. The strategies that apply by the Starcity Hotel is choosing the right time to carry a maintenance work. All the repair and maintenance work that need to be solved must be carried out during the occupancy rate of the occupant in the lower state to avoid any damage or injuries that may happen. After that, the management of Starcity Hotel also have a proper procedure in carry maintenance and repairing works, where every worker must follow the guideline before, during and afterwards. Before the workers start their inspection or maintenance work, they have to make sure all the areas that will do the work in a safe. Next, during the maintenance or inspection work, all the workers must wear a proper attire to avoid any damage, and during spread of the COVID-19, they must wear the face mask all the time. After completing their works, the worker have to make sure all the tools and equipment has been put back at the right place. Next, appoint an expertise person to maintain of specific equipment. For a specific equipment, the management of Starcity Hotel will appoint some the outsource to help them in order to maintain the equipment. Challenges encountered by the management. In management's work, the management team face difficulty or challenges whether it is under their control or without their control. The challenges faced by the Starcity Hotel management is lack of time. It is because some of the repair and maintenance work need to be carried out in consuming the long period, where that time they can use to solve the other works that only consume a short period. Not only that, the management team also faced the situation where the structure need to be repaired, but they didn't have enough tool for it. Next, nature also become one of the challenges that faced by the management team. For example, during the spread of COVID-19, the government has launched the restriction movement order, where they cannot operate the hotel like usual, has caused they need to shut down the operation for a long time. Because of that, they have lost huge income of the hotel, and the maintenance and repairing works cannot be done. Finally, they also face the situation where they lack of human power. Due to the restriction movement order, they have been forced to end some of their services of their worker because of the financial problem. When the operation has started like usual, the human power will decrease and it will affect the maintenance work. Conclusion. For this hotel, the management team is important in order to carry all the works that related to maintaining, repairing, and the managing of the hotel. The management team also have their own mission, vision, and objective in order to make sure all their works that they do is in the right way. In managing the high-rise building where the number of occupants is higher, many kinds of management need to be considered such as tenancy and occupancy management, human resource management, maintenance policy, maintenance plan, maintenance budget, and also safety, health, environment management. In every kind of management, the duty of the management team is different, suitable with the aim and objective of the management. In managing all of these maintenance and management works, the maintenance management team also face challenges and difficulties during it. As a result, they should find the solution in order to face it. In conclusion, in managing the high-rise building where the condition and the occupant of the building more complicated than the landed building, the management team need to work as a team to make sure all the work can be carried and can be delivered imperfectly. That's all from me. Thank you.